Man, been a holy faith before me get me locks on. The more them fight, the stronger me get Super Saiyan. I be a money in my trunks for the present and the future, I'm just saying. We never call out when our time figure do the work, we keep on praying. Never straying. Watch them attack, say the thing a shot now. And I hope them man call, them want me drop down. Them want me living at the dead. I cope in a jail and so the thing work. How prolong. Watch them attack, say the thing a shot now. And I hope them man call, them want me drop down.
Everything for yourself. Get horse. Get land. Jerry and nephew, make us speak the truth. Get everything for yourself. Adam Padel left them in get. And how wicked I better than that? Imagine. Boy, who me will get? Father have 3 horse, and get it 3 of them. Land, car. The wicked brother that remember me tell you. Wicked.
Stand up on your foot then, man. Papas. Yo. I'm here, brother. You look like you're drunk, sir.
I'm Theo.
What I'm here? We not stop drink up the rum, the bag of rum, brother. Eh? Stand up on your foot then, brother. We come check on you. Why going?
Want to do something?
With something?
Every time I ask a fee, something you can ask me with something. Me need to get my half too.
Why you behaving like this? What mean if you get your half to? Listen me, man, listen me. You gonna throw up, man? You look like you drink up one heap of rum. Listen me, man. You need to cut off of that stuff, you know, that daddy always talk about, you know. Right now, if dad could see you, you know, he would be so disappointed in you, boy. Cause guess what? He would have turned in a grave with Mrs. Maggage. Me I tell you, turn up on your foot then, man. It's a stupid behavior, you stupid.
You not see me turn up.
Virgin, man, ease yourself and ease yourself when you're talking, brother. Cause you dope up right now. And that them something I can't bother with, brother. Bahamas. Watch it.
You. To stand up. As a smaller brother. I know say anything that daddy left for me and you shall be the one to know as a look like brother. He give me what I supposed to earn from daddy's will. And you understand, you know. Yes, you. Me, we're the bigger brother. Me forget the will. And share it up. So what you know? You laugh, like you get joke. Well, me believe in that still, you know. You see, bigger brother get 90%. And I say, look like brother get 5%. You understand? So you see the thing is now, the will need to bring to me so me can share it between me and you. Cause me are the bigger brother. To understand what me I say.
But listen me. You see, as long as I'm here on this earth, and if I ever trod on and seek more knowledge for betterment myself, because I try to teach and show you, but it's like you not learn. You got class still. You have class to go 5 o'clock because I want to know something in my head to see him with. You see, I still got school. And you need to come to a school. Yeah. You don't believe me? You don't believe me? You drink too much rum, man. You see, before you put your brain in the space where you think you can get that hard working, money, sweat, bearing, money, will, and everything. Wise up.
That?
Wise the hell up.
Wise already. Rum, give me knowledge.
Alright, yeah, man.
I will go on still, you know. I will go on. I might be say, me now get me forget him. As me look to your brother, make a sad mistake. Cause me have to get my earning a will. My father, they left you we. So all my talk and go on. Yabba yabba yabba, yabba yabba yabba. 90% is mine. And 5 is for his. So, Bombshell. Yeah, do you know?
Everything goes, man. Thing goes, man. So how they go out?
I say, I day say Suhfitrue and go on easy, you see me?
The Suhfitrue, true.
You see.
Bad man, I love rum, so you.
Better give me a one shot out there, rum, brother.
Nah, no cup. No cup. So they go out, because Billy they tell me say I chop through. They say I go on, why business?
Yo, you know what I do, bro, G? Is the one mission me a link up and still do.
But you know the thing guy, they know my job so true. So that business. No, I hear where you want
Alright,
I want your business.
Alright then, well. Jump into it, hear me I say, is it?
Yeah.
Brother. You see me?
Yeah.
It's like, you know, that you know the thing when time father did dance and because you know it's more or less.
Brother, me now want hear no love story, brother.
So listen to me now, man. Listen to me now, man. Listen now, man.
Tell Billy to send a fourfold man.
You hear me now, man?
Yo. What you say? Yeah, I hear you, man.
Yo, you give me some of them talk more.
Me nah no cup.
Alright then, hear me I say, as in my brother, he goes to man, give me a piece of money and
Yo, take 2 shots out there, because I don't want to tell you a love
like-
story. I
it's
don't want to hear
like-
a love story, brother, or a business. Straight to the point, no man. Straight to the point, no man.
Yeah.
Get to
Yo,
the point. Yeah.
Yo, listen
yeah.
to me. Listen to me.
Yeah.
Him have some money.
True. Yeah.
See me?
Yeah.
And house.
Yeah.
And the black box.
My house.
Yes. But what you pay now?
Sound like a whole heap of money.
Me don't know the code.
Me chop any code, man. Roop, and everything fly. Sharp. Brrr. Better than that. Bad man, give me rum no man. 1 shot of rum, me tell her to take my out.
Let me carry the next one. Brother, I didn't say something.
Yeah, no brother. Here come brother me. No brother me my youth. Where say I go on for the box? With the money in it.
Box. Yeah, the money in it. But
Money in
the
the
code,
box.
the code pan it. I can't crack the code. Some fee say, I the right man, that's my link Billy and tell Billy, say, yo, Billy, where you?
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah, that sound bad and tough. Me rate the style like money in a box.
Yeah, man.
Yo, tell Billy say
Yo,
make sure where say I go in the box.
money in the box, so but watch it pre now.
Yeah. You know say I junkie. Yo, you know say me not go pan the work. Me not go pan the work.
Listen me now, listen me now, bombshell man.
Yeah, me I listen. Suhfitrue, cho.
Important documents in the same box.
Yeah.
Mark W-I-L-L. See you see that? Me
What
forget
that mean?
The will.
The will. Oh.
See,
So
you
that's
me I
paper
say.
you want, you idiot man.
See,
How
you
how
say-
much money? Cause I money, all I money are for me, you know. No
So that
business
me
about
I
no
tell
paper, you know.
you, yeah,
Yeah.
you know, me not business about the money, but the money, see me, only thing me need are the will.
So how much money in there?
Me don't know much money in there, but I'm sure about the will. I know I say money in a hit, but me can't tell you exactly how much.
So you want me broke going in our house. You want me broke going in our house I know. For unsure, uncertain. Must have lost my senses then when me the born so for true. I get what you say. I mean I think about what you say. I mean I process what you say, cause what you say it sound workable, sound like it can work. Yeah man,
That
big
me
man
want
thing.
hear.
And
Alright.
the will, you said the will of your car. Or
Hear me I
car
say,
title.
no worry about it. Just know say make me get that.
So
Zin?
that mean the will important then.
Yes.
Cause anyway,
Like you understand.
Yes, cause anyway will there. Enough money have to do that to cause you say one box. What safe or box.
Box. But the box have a code pan it.
Oh,
But you may not understand. Yeah.
I like it so nice.
Alright, what
So-
you pre now?
So, alright. So here we are going to do for me now, Zane. I want you give me the information to the location so I can make a decision. I already make a decision. I make a decision already, but I want just clarify upon that department so I
Oh,
can...
so you want the low key?
Yeah, no location. Yes.
Alright then.
That me a pre right now, so for true. Cause I know a thing.
Alright, when you go to Boom, make a left turn and the right turn there, so right
Yeah.
down a Bellevue Avenue.
Yeah, oh, Pumbata. Rich people in place that, brother.
Nah, tell you about down a Bellevue Avenue.
They know that if they tell me you not talk straight. Take one next shot of rum.
Listen to me.
I be rich people live over Bellevue Avenue. What you talk about? Bellevue Avenue. Take one more shot again and pass the buckle.
Me good man. Alright.
You sure? Alright, give me more
Sure.
information because I like how it sounds so for true. Yeah,
When you go in on the left side.
yeah, pan the turn there and take
Yeah?
the turn around the side.
No man, I gone too far no man.
Oh, I think I throw my brain fast, my
Alright.
brain quick.
So you go to Boom, you take that turn, so.
Yeah,
About 3 horse.
yeah, 3 of them.
On the left side.
Yeah, me I visualize it and
You
I
see-
feature it.
You see on the left side where 3 horse there?
Yeah.
You see cross the road.
Yeah,
Cross the road, you know. You listen to
over
me?
the side.
Yes.
Yeah,
On the third horse, in front of the third horse, cross the road.
and then grow on the so for true.
Alright,
Me know
right
where you
there,
talk.
so.
Me know where you talk. Big man thing, brawling so for true.
White
Yo, I want
horse.
him live over there. You say, your brother, you say.
Yes.
Cause some of them brother you know like share.
See, that me I
That
tell you,
me
man,
a
you.
try it. And go on like they're rich and they're more than man. So
Yeah.
for sure.
How much you bring? I mean, a bigger brother, you know?
A fool them take you for
That me I tell you.
brawling. When me fit motion, just make me know the best day so for true me can motion. Cause right now me hand it so for true. Quick
Right
and fast.
now.
Brawling. Right now.
See, you know, available now. To do
You know
it.
work, me a work
So
man.
that
How
me
you
I
talk
tell you,
about,
man.
So what you say about? Watch you know. So you know the money me can buy one food, right now I'm hungry stuff for Suhfitrue.
You always hungry before you go on a mission. Yo. Know what you say about that man? You see me? So when you see a man and you go to the man can mash and thing, you get more than food. Man, don't show you 100 already, man.
Son, tough man, I rate his style, man. Rich people have, you know, Bellevue, where them know about that. Yo, I write somebody a link to Suhfitrue.
See, but I tell you, I have to link Billy. I make Billy set me up on the right link for know for the right thing.
As some know say Billy and a fool, you know, because Billy know the real link, them to make a real link and proper link and everything copacetic Suhfitrue.
Say your bomb shell,
Yeah,
you
man.
say bomb shell, everything your shell.
Oh, you mean, man, shell it. Shell.
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 Looking for a young man by the name of Taj. He live on one road on a corner and take the next turn. Yeah, and take the next other turn, right, third turn.
He live in a one orange house, but not orange.
Alright, thanks, yeah.
Yeah, man, alright.
Alright, respect. Yeah. Have any food over there? Can get some.
We just finished, but we'll start tomorrow again.
No bun already there.
We didn't go watch out the cost, then go away.
Alright, next time let's look up for me, yeah?
Alright, we'll
Alright, thanks. I'm not too like skill people, come no sense. I smell the food, man. I smell the food, and the lady tell me say no food no over them. I know me smell the food, you know. But orange, how she tell me say orange juice? Which orange? A White House. Him tell me say White House. Yo, mix. Yo, people ever try mix up my brain, you know, man. A White House, you tell me, you know, and she tell me say a blue house with a purple top on it. Yo, yo. Hello. Yeah, blessed sir. You know, see me I look for a young man named Taj. Them say he live around one corner. I take it the third to fourth turn to the right.
I want to you.
I think so, man. He have one brother and then father are dead.
Okay, man. Around here, live, man. Around here, I'm going to by next word, around here.
By next word.
Yeah, I'm going to next word.
Alright, respect. I hear cooking food, car. Can I smell like it? You say enough
I don't feel like cabbage you are cooking.
Say, me
I saw crab.
can't get 2 high flour.
He didn't already, man. You really got it.
Now I left my number short, no man.
What
But
kind of
the
number?
6-1 digit.
I'm not letting me know enough one, man.
385 657. Yeah.
Let me know too much, man. Too much number, man.
That's why I don't like his skin. Because I'm just mean, yo. You know me smell the food. Let's let 2 high flour, man. When I pass.
Alright, do you think when you come back?
Not to credit them can't buy for the show. Because 2 flour me I beg. Yo, me I tell yo. What's 2 flour me I beg you, man. Wait till I find out how much money now. Understand that the people don't want to tie up them dog, you know. see I fence him. And me have to just put over my tofu at the same time. I say I love compound work and hungry, you know. Anytime I compound work and hungry, I think always go. Go me nearly get catch, man.
My pebbles is like they have some poisons, not really poison, like numbing effect. Yeah, numbing agent. Obama's 16 minutes I clean up still, cause him not move right. Like you can't them thing, you not even can handle them thing. Look how when you got bird bush what him behave out of character and behave like him not have no sense. Brother, I mean I understand him sometimes. How you think we can trust him? If he even have a big gun like this, a big one like this, daddy left this for him, you know, a fiend this, you know. And look at it now, he can't even there run to inherit nothing the real way, how, like first hand, if he really inherit. He not there run and inherited the real way. Him be a drinking, brother, be a drinking. He not focus. And then I try to show him, say him not focus. Because right now, I could have him. I tell him. What? Yeah. We make it. Eh? And it have it, you know. Even the safety. Yeah, ultra long range. High power M16. The boy that no style. He don't know what kind of gun there, boy. He don't even know what kind of gun there for fire. Tell her. Yeah, man. So. We learn still in due time. I'm going to try to teach a boy. I'm going to try to teach a boy and make him know some little style. The street him now there. Focus on the key, no brother. Yeah. And you know it from baby days. We are focused. Remember good no man. No joke. Anyways. Eh?
Yeah, that's how me I send a bad man. Yeah. Now ask me where me there. Me ask you where you there. Yo, bad man, hear me send a. Yo. Where you there? Yo, meet me on a blacksmith lane, brother. Yeah man, right a rope bar. Yeah man, out by front man. Brother come like a joke thing, this a style thing, you know, brother. Yo, when I reach man, me chat to you, man, bad bro, man. Yeah man, me chat to you. Hold on, come on, I beg your chance. But we are ready. We make Pull on, man.
It's a long talk.
You take too long, brother. I want to.
Let me just explain. Let me just explain. What me I try to say? You get a work. Yeah. Maybe I can't back it up. But you get a one word for Suhfitrue. You know? More. Now I give a share of time. 80%. 80%, 85%.
85% of bomb buckler.
Them will 90%. We learn man, we are moving. Remember we share with your mind.
A boy.
Make you 100%. Yo, it's in that.
Come on.
Yo. Yo, me shouldn't borrow no gun for nobody, you know. Me I eat that. Yo. Me have to give man whole life money now. Yo. What? I don't know why me go borrow. Yo, if you borrow gun, you eat that. Yo, I look at things in my eye.
Style that you pull off, man. What kind of style that? A fool you take man from bad man. Brother, you know, tell me say man strap them away the youth. Brother, me feel like.
So Brogy, so you never bring no.
What you mean if me not bring nothing, brother? Me can't go on mission and not strap my youth. At the fact that I pull up on the ends, brother, and see man have the two bushmaster them Suhfitrue. Man, a joke like you take man business. A joke, brother. Me a professional in a youth. Me a professional in that. Me can't go pines at them way they in a youth. You bad man, you make man go pines naked them way that bad man. Right now man could have all boom or bum or something in a house, brother. Dog, you have to give me accurate information, brother.
See yo.
Brother, as a professional brother, me need special intel, brother.
Say like hear me say. Say hear me say. I had to come off now. What go on for box?
Come like you not hear like something wrong with the ears or something, brother. I forward come link your brother, find out if not bombing at the place, brother. Me have to know exactly what the pines, brother.
Skinny, hold on, skinny, hold on. So you really want to tell me, say brother? Me say if it's something I come back without it.
Brother, yo, you come like you not listen to me I say, brother. And no call me no brother tonight, and no call me no brother. Come here no brother. And your brother had more slap us off the church and take you back some money. Brawling. You have to make me know what I go on, brother. I full 100, brother. Cause after me pull up stuff for you, brother, all the scheme, brother. You come like a
Me don't give you info already you want, brother. Me don't give you everything like that already, bad man. So what?
So, but me can't pull up our ends with them surprising kind
Yo,
of behavior,
hear me, brother.
No call me no brother. Me ain't a brother, youth. No call me no brother.
Yo, me kill you.
Money me do, business me do.
Hear me say. Just do the right thing, no man.
Yo, right now, me a motion back on ends, but right now, me have to get some food and eat and relax my brain, get a one drink.
Stop what you say about food, no? Brother, I tried even right now, brother. You make me get hungry right now, brother.
You get hungry?
Cause big man, me send up for something, brother, and it's like, yo. Let me stop calling brother to you, cause you come going like this man about me, brother. Big man,
me a brother.
Need it.
I a brother had more and slap us off the church and get the box of money. Right now the dogs I'm hungry. That me I try to tell you. You know a badness set. You know about badness. Brother, come get involved in a things where you not to understand you. You have to make sure me get the right information, brother, before me go up on the mission.
Everything me give you, brother. Yo, hear me I say, just do the right thing.
Yo, I go on, man. Tonight me a motion back again. Cause me have to make sure so me eat a piece of food by a morning. You see me? And make sure some money in a box. Cause yo, I chain a town now in a dog. Right now man thing serious, you know? That me I tell you, no man think serious and well serious and
yo, you think serious, but you don't seem serious.
No, dog. Me just so I know some money in a box, brother.
Yo, skinny.
Your man in a chat.
You're right, my brother. Here.
Yo, I hope money in a box now. Big man thing, you know. Early man, the pan food.
Hey baby, you know easy because every morning you wake me up with the best set of texts to me. I tell you. You see you ever put a smile on my face, man. You know easy girl. Yeah. Hey, you see that last night? What? I said
On a big man level. Can't work on the belly. Suhfitrue. True. Yeah man, I forget some food before I start work, man. Anything.
Suhfitrue. True. One can cook on dirty kitchen. Yeah, all kind of style, man. Food, yeah. Shit. Now wash no pot, you know. Now wash no pot. I can wash the pot instead. Now wash no pot. No, kind of. Show you, man. Yo, if you look, it's a man that put you know. Okay, that's that. Dear Lord and Heavenly Father, I thank you for blessing me this morning with an healthy food. Cornflakes is very nice, my favorite, my Father. I appreciate everything that you have given to me. I appreciate and adore your blessing, my Lord. My Lord, you have blessed me with some curry goat with rice, Lord. And I see the Irish and the carrot in it. I know it's going to taste good, my Lord. I thank you for everything. I thank you for waking me up this morning to go on my regular duty to do my job. And I do my job very well as you bless me, my Father. And I bless that you bless the box and make sure a lot of money, my Father. You see the trouble and tribulation that I'm in, my Lord. My Lord, I thank you for this meal, my Lord. Thank you for everything. And thank you for giving me the strength and courage to thief when it's time for me to thief. And I thief on the rich, my Father, my Lord. I thank you for every blessing, my Lord. I bless you too, my Lord. And forgive me of my sin, my Lord. And bless this food, my Lord. Thank you so much, my Lord. Amen. My Thursday food nice, my Lord. Very good. Can't believe I saw a little bit of food the man left back. Big man thing, I food nice, you know. No joke, Suhfitrue. What a bombshell.
Some food. How the stove looks, son? How many live it, sir? How many live in the kitchen, sir? How many live in the kitchen, sir? You haven't done any food last night, man. Man, I played chip on with the backside. Sleep. I forgot to put some new breakfast, man. There's no leftovers. Damn. Of course, when I'm
Favorite left for Curry go to the man. I'm not having my food last night. Lots of security have been on my place, boy. Eh? Hey, boy, where are you? Where really are you?
I box him come for, man. I box him come for. Bama send me. Bama send, man.
Bama send. Give it up. Give it up. Where you go?
Bama send, man. I box him come for, man. You can't leave, you know. You can't leave, man. Bama send me for you.
No,
stop
talking. Stop talking, boy. Hear me, I say. Bama send you. Why not?
Bama send me.
Yo, you know what say? Yo. Bama send you come here come do what? What Bama send you come here come do, boy? With gun on me and boy.
I box me come for.
Which box? Why you not box? Me ask some question on the box.
Let's say again.
You're dumb. You can't speak.
I title it will.
Will?
Yeah.
Yambama spoke will there?
No, I did.
Yo, I say Yambama spoke will. My father left a will, you know. Right in this place, you know, in my hand, you know.
Me no know. In just 7
so, yo, let's talk it. How much Mama's pay? I say, how much Mama's gear? How much him pay you? That me ask how much him gear? How much him pay you? Eh?
500,000 in same and pay me Suhfitrue. 500,000, but I just say box, man. Me can't leave, you know.
Leave where?
Me can't leave, man.
Can't write that so. 500,000.
Yeah, 500,000.
You must be joking. What about must get 500,000 if I think you 500,000?
Me no know.
Stop your foolishness, boy, you don't know. If not get enough 500,000, what do you think you're a fool?
We can't leave the box, man. I leave, you know.
Put on the box. Yeah.
Can't leave, you know.
How much him give?
250, yeah. 215 give me.
250?
Yeah.
Are you sure you're not lying to me?
Me not tell you.
Yeah, you're not lying to me, you know. Because you know say Mama's not money, you know. So go and get money for
250, me no know. 215 give me.
You see it? Here the boy Bamas. You see it is sick in the head, you know. Can't even hire a good hit, man. Look at you. Yo, you what you do for me? You what you do for me? I'll take my gun off for you to make you top piece your pants. Like a coward. You come to people's house and I'm fool. You can't style. You what you do for me?
Yo, Bamas. Bamas. Yeah.
Yeah, how that?
Bombshell, Suhfitrue.
Oh, that skinny.
Yeah, man, me see him on Suhfitrue, you know? Yeah.
Now, hold on.
Yeah, they go on with
How do you know?
yeah, man.
You see?
True, man. Anything going.
Oh,
Smell like a food you do within them, man.
careful you talk about, brother. You get the thing, man.
Nah, man, man.
Eh?
Quick and fast. You that, man. A simple way up, man. Come now, you tell me about hard folk, brother. A simple match you out.
Yo, so.
Yeah, man. I will that.
So, me know say me a real general, na say me a say so.
Nah, man, man.
So what going for cash? Suhfitrue.
You ask about cash, brother. You don't get your
About,
box, brother. You get
about
the thing, man.
500,000 in the box, don't?
Don't worry about that. You're good. The government, you're a thing that.
So you get the box.
Good question. Red man tell no tales. Bust out him head brawling Suhfitrue. Him beg and ball like a baby.
Oh yeah, so you mean? What you mean?
Bad man, a professional I deal with
You
them
mean?
from no joke 990 no man. Quick and fast me deal with it Suhfitrue. Easy skanking, smooth sailing.
You say me and
Really?
say that I we did the upstairs Suhfitrue still now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right
man.
now. Right now you're supposed to give me a piece of food for my heart because I lose all my heart, man. I don't know I lose it. Alright now you should give me all a bonus to bad man, me I tell her.
Hot
No
at the
joke.
least, bro.
I mean at the least.
Hot at the least, me say.
Brother, that important to me, brother. You know, long me have that I mean at the least. That can't be the least, bad man. Killing at the least, my brother.
So this
Murder
is,
people for me,
so listen
brother.
to me. So when I go to
man.
so when I get the box, anything what in there, me sure know say you get that now.
You don't worry about what in the box. What in the box are for me. You understand I mean? A 50 grand in the box me get, you know. And 50 grand and nothing in a bad man for trouble me go through for that, you know. You know, must search me if you search bad man all night. You know, say I next day me reach. Come like you not to realize say I next day.
Yeah, but this is the next day reach, man, but hear me and say still, you see me? I take too long to hear me and say still.
Brawling, man. A normal pay, man, everything good still, man. If I get the box and good, you get a will in the box. So, just give me my little extra for my hot brother, cause right now, I feel away without my hot brother. Big man thing. I not laugh about it either to adapt me and try show it stuff for true. Yeah, man.
Soon get back the money for the hot man.
Brother,
Zane,
I come like you don't know how we are did, bad man. Just make me get me thing, bad man. Right now, I'm not telling you no whole heap of talking, bad man. By tomorrow, dog, when me get me a dog, that me a try share. Me get money for my heart. You see me? A food you are cooking there. I smell like food I cook. A food I
that
cook.
start depend on your belly. You hear me and say
No,
still?
no style, man. Belly, I'm a god out. And my belly make me survive. That me I try show you stuff for true. But now I'm all free, man. Just make me get my children tomorrow.
Ah, yeah, man.
Well, man, kinda easy, you know. Because man want send man go kill him, brother. But boy, they see me right now, want me a piece of food for me after right now. So for true. Some boy feel like it's like, oh man, I'm hungry. Well, so for true. You know.
Yo, Skinny! Where's something brother again?
I mean, yo, bad man, stop load up man thing. I'm not tell you what go on with the man my yacht.
Brother, me never seen no brother. Me never seen no baby brother my
Hey
youth.
boy, stop load up man thing. I'm gonna waste man.
My youth.
Yeah.
Man kill me brother. No.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Come like in at the cutting yard. Watch out. But hear me dying child. Bombers, watch this joker now. In 2022 we have a big joker like this. Watch out. Yo. Oi man. And a you man. Yo man. Yo boss. Wagwan. You good man, get up man, you good? Brother. Bombers. Yo brother. Wake up man. Watch it. Yo. Nice to Latin. Yo. Wagwan man, how you smell so? Oi brother. Get up man, you good man?
Brother.
Watch you watch want you want you smell so good.
Yeah, brother.
Watch you, get up brother. Want you. You smell so. You beat from when man?
Brother, you see me there heaven?
Watch you.
Brother.
Yam papi show. Watch you. Let go from me man. You ain't top chat fat boy there heaven.
Where daddy there?
What you say man? Watch you. Get up brother, get up man, get up. Get up man.
Daddy there.
Get up yourself man. Want you top baby like your sense brother. Watch you say man. This man drink and jump to blows and sit up yourself brother man. Watch you.
Daddy there. But you see me there heaven, brother.
We are talking about heaven.
Brother, we there heaven.
Watch this man. Watch you.
Brother, we there heaven,
We are talking about heaven.
Brother, where daddy? Touch, we are the touch.
This man to blows and skirt, you're a real drama.
Touch.
Watch it. No wonder why daddy have it. You think me never know your scheme?
Brother.
Yeah, you think me never know your scheme? Watch it.
Come no, brother. We there heaven, brother. Where daddy there?
Which heaven?
Brother.
Watch it. You talk about heaven, you think me never know your scheme? Me never know say you set up that one day. One day for 500,000. You think at 250,000 me give him? Check you.
Brother,
Check you get checked. Watch out.
Dad, I'm not. I'm sorry. I can't stand up.
Wait. What happened to you?
Brother. We know I am on no will.
Will?
Brother.
Will?
Me just want me and you live forever. You see with your heaven. Daddy there.
Will? Listen, man, shut your mouth. Will, out of that same blouse and skirt, 13 million where daddy left for you in a year account on that. Will, where you so dangerously want, can you out to kill me? Listen what me I say, man. 250,000 me give that one where you sending me house, that same junkin one, like same like a you. We come in my house, come eat food. You ever see somebody go up an operation and eat food? What kind of hitman that you hire, brother? If you kill your own brother. You don't have no style. Your style then spoil. You know see it say you need engine oil. I don't know what kind of style them have to blouse and skirt you derive up in your brain. What is youth? 250,000 me pay him. You stinking eye place, man. Why you smell so? You feel beard too. You see that, Will? Look in my box, good. You must see I be a fake papers. And the same you can't even damn read. You feel tappy. Be like you have sense. You're just lucky sometimes, me and brother and a boy, so I can't hate you. When you do some sin thing, you have to really wonder. You tap ball now, you have sense now. The amount of rum where they drink up to blouse and skirt must turn in a canker sore. A blow out. How you joke about? Dad! I'm sorry, brother!
We all love gifts, and only a few of us harness them in everyday life for others to benefit. I'm Kevin. Some call me Skinny, Water Bombshell, Suhfitrue, Cho. You know, I want to say thanks to everyone that's been supporting us, watching the movie, liking, share, comment, whether good comment or bad comment. We still appreciate you guys, because as long as you are part of this project or what project we did before, whether to like it or to share it or to dislike it, it still encourages us, it still motivates us. So it's not a big deal, because we love doing movies, Movies, a thing that we do every day. It's a love, it's a passion. So I want to thank everyone that has been supporting us. And I didn't want to say it is challenging or it is difficult, because it's something that we love doing. So it's hard to say it's challenging or it's difficult or it's rough or anything like that. Everything has its own little challenge, disadvantage and advantages, right? So it would look, a bit bad or not so good to say it's difficult or challenging, but let's not say it's difficult or challenging. Let's say we want to become we want to do more better in what we're doing, by asking you guys for the opportunity of support, continuing to support us, help us to grow bigger and better, So coming this summer, I want to talk about the project that we're doing this summer. So we start a GoFundMe to ask you guys for your support to help us to make this project possible in the summer. We haven't decided what month as yet, but we're trying to raise enough funds to allow us to able to execute that project so we can pay people and get material we need and stuff like that. We're also learning new softwares, trying to improve on our sound quality, visual quality, acting skills as well, you know, and we're asking you guys for the opportunity to help us to raise this fund to make this project possible. We did Valentine's, we did a movie Love and Time on Valentine's Day. It was a good project for us because we spend more time that way normally, more than what we normally do in the past movies, right? So we like to do really much better than the last one, than Love and Time. So for summer, guys, help us. It's a biblical movie. It's actually a biblical movie where it's about the gospel, you know, birth of Christ. So let's see how that goes for a Jamaica film. So we asking you guys to please support us. Go to our GoFundMe. Any means and way you guys can support us financially, or if you have anything else, like, you know, maybe I don't know, but anything that you guys can give, you know, with props. If you guys have clothes and shoes and stuff like that, like we can use for props, any books or anything. If you guys have a lot of books you want to give away, you know, we'd appreciate it, same, because we can use them in movies, same, we can write a script. I'm really good at making up stories, right? So as you guys see, most of the movies that have been put out, it's actually from here. No paper, I don't use pen and paper, everything is actually from here, you know, because I actually watched the movie in my head before I came even film it, you know. So whatever props you guys have to give, we'd really appreciate it financially, any means of way of helping us to get better, you know, liking our video, sharing our video, watch it, spend time watching the videos, you know, commenting, tell us what you think, you know, what you dislike and what you like, you know, it really helps us to get better. So for summer, guys, we're gonna put some extra work in summer, but we need your help, we need your support, we need your understanding of what we're doing here. It's not just fun, it's fun, but it's actually a part of our financial aid, what you call it, go-to, right? It's our financial go-to. That's where we go to get our money. And it's been, like I said, I didn't want to say it's struggling, but most of the time we had to spend money from our own pockets to get stuff done that we're not getting back, you know. But it's the love. When you love something, you know, you spend time and, you know, you work with it, especially when it makes you happy, you know. So I really would love to see this project come to life in summer, and me and my team, you know, working on sound and working on acting skills. Taj, you know, good actor. And then you have Bamas. Bamas is a sound engineer guy learning the sound quick and fast. You know, he's trying to, you know, develop the quality of the sound, whether sound effects or the recording. You know, Bamas, that's Bamas, sound engineer, you know. And then you have the actor now, one Taj, you know. Yeah, one Taj, the actor, is a good one, you know. So guys, we would love to put in more effort and more creativity, you know, more time into the movies. You know, we had to rush doing so much movie in 1 month when it's not supposed to be like that, because movie take time, because it take time to do about the scene till they get it right. Different angles are the dialogue that the actors have to say and stuff like that. So it really take time. So for me to produce 5 movies for the month, it's really difficult. In which I didn't want to say difficult, but it's difficult because you have to rush to make a dollar so you can survive for the next month. You know, so guys, help us to only produce 1 movie per month. That means you get good quality movie, you know, sound, acting skills, you know, the concept of the movie, the script. Awesome, guys. So we're asking you for the opportunity to support us, keep supporting us, you know. Send us a lot of prayer and love, you know. Pray God bless us also, you know. And we'd love to always continue doing movies for you guys. We all have gifts, and only a few of us harness them in everyday life for others to benefit. Skinny. What a bombshell. Suhfitrue. Love you all. Enough respect and thanks again in advance.